Putin institutes martial law in occupied territories, the battle for Kherson may soon begin, and residents have been warned to evacuate. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy has once again spoken out against what he claims is Russia's use of Iranian drones, this time calling Moscow militarily and politically bankrupt. Ukraine's power plants and civilian structures are still frequent targets of drone and missile strikes. Yesterday, Zelenskyy said that Russian strikes have disabled 30% of Ukraine's power plants, leading to widespread blackouts across the country. While everything is going on, the new Russian commander in Ukraine has admitted that the military situation is tense, especially in the Kherson region in the south. Sergei Surovikin told reporters on Tuesday that the situation in the area of the special military operation may be classified as tense, as reported by the Russian state news outlet Tass. Russian-appointed Kherson Deputy Administrator Kirill Stremusov declared late Tuesday on Telegram that the war for Kherson will begin in the very near future.